Show me who it is. That's where.
Passe à droite, tu passes à gauche. Voilà.
Yeah.
This is from Princess Square. I'm filming this. I'm going to give it a hit.
Don't you disrespect me, little man. Don't you dare gain on her run. You're in my world now, not your world. And I've got friends on the other side. Friends on the other side. Thanks, Annette. We're gonna do something we have here in Louisiana. No, I'm afraid, don't worry. Sit down at the table.
Cases
This is my version of the didgeridoo, okay? It's not great if you've got a little bit croaky voice. That's because I had one beer yesterday, and this is what happens when you get older. You have one alcoholic beverage, and then your whole voice is affected the next day. So, I'm doing my best to make this noise. Thank you. What now, Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. At the bass. Make some noise. Everybody say whoop whoop. When I say boom boom boom, everybody say way-oh. I say boom boom boom, everybody say way-oh. Thank you. Drop it like it's hot. When the drop it like it's hard. Now, what now? Oh, what now? Oh, what now? We've got about a minute till the finale. Say woo! Cool. Everybody take a couple of steps in. I'm not a break dancer, so I do not need all this space. Come in, come in, come in, come in. Queen. We will rock you. You can do the sort of singing rap if you want. You got blood on your face, big disgrace. Make his dream come alive, sing it. There we go, a little improv segment. Right, let me just have some of this and I'm going to do the seriously good stuff. It does require liquid in the throat though, because you're using all the noises. So even your neck. Okay. UK Garage Classics, then the big finish. If you're wondering where my guitar case is, you know, I'm busking. I don't have a guitar case, I've got a box. So that's just there if you're wondering where it is. Thank you. Gotta get through this. I gotta get through this. Rewind. When the crowd say bo, select. It's time for the grand finale. This is the moment your entire lives have led up to. You know, from the moment you were born, everything that's gone on, it's all led to this moment here standing in Leicester Square. You know, and we're all in the same boat. So we're all sharing that moment. You know, even me. So, yeah, basically, I love doing this. You know, I'm a street performer and I've been doing it since I was 15 because I love doing it. It's what I love doing, and then, you know, it became my job and this is what I do. You know, I do this and, you know, I like to think I'm putting something good into the world, you know, making people happy. At least I'm entertaining. You know, and if you're not entertained, then, well, there's other buskers or you go cinema or something. So, yeah, basically, I hope you've enjoyed it. My name's Tom. If you want to find me online, I've got a skateboard. It says State of Art Sound. That's my Instagram. That's my box. I'm a traditional busker. You know, no one pays me to be here. You know, I'm a street performer and I'm proud to be. So the only way I get paid is that box there. If you enjoyed me, thank you very much. If you're thinking, Tom, do you take cards or do you have a QR code? Yes, look, that is my QR code. I don't normally talk about it because no one really cares for QR codes, not even me, but I've got one. And I do have a card machine. If I just undo that there. Look, that's not as a joke, it's a real card machine. So yeah. And the reason I don't talk about the QR code is often people scan it and I say thank you and then I look at the app and there's nothing and I'm just like, oh, what? So yeah. Cash is obviously preferable. Then second preference would be the card. Third preference would be that. And up there with the cash, you can put in US dollars, euros, whatever you like of value. Mobile phones, if you want. Look, if you don't want it anymore, unlock it and we can go through that together, sat on the wall or something. But yeah, car keys as well. Right. Okay, here we go. Everybody say woo! Everybody say yeah! Okay, here we go. Walking around the streets of London at 10 p.m. on a Friday night. It will sound exactly like this. Oi, mate! Hey, this DJ's pretty good. Let's go back inside. Right here, right now, right here, right now. eat, sleep, beatbox, repeat. Listen carefully without the mic. If you want me to go faster, say faster. Okay, I'll try. With the harmonica to finish, everybody clap with me. Here we go. Check this. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is the end of my show. Nice one. So my name's Tom, State of Art Sound, that's me on Instagram. This is my box. And this is my contactless reader. So I'm just going to stand here at the front and hold up both. Nice one. You may come forward now. Thank you. I will leave this here next to my